Definition of the word.
Lecture.
Noun.
A spoken lesson or exposition, usually delivered to a group.
Example.
During class today, the professor delivered an interesting lecture. A class that primarily consists of a weekly or other regularly held lecture, as in Sense 1, usually at college or university.
Example.
We will not have lecture tomorrow. Lecture notes are online. A berating or scolding.
Example.
I really don't want you to give me a lecture about my bad eating habits. The act of reading.
Example.
The lecture of Holy Scripture.
Lecture. Lecture.
Lecture. Lecture.
Lecture. Lecture.
Lecture. Lecture.